For sensitive helpdesk actions, speed is not enough. SmartPT AD Control lets a company decide when password reset and account unlock require user verification. In AD Control settings, administrators define who can operate the product and which support actions are available to the helpdesk. Sarah is assigned to Helpdesk Tier 1. That gives her day-to-day support access, while protected identities and high-risk changes remain controlled. The OTP settings define how long verification codes stay valid, how many resend attempts are allowed, and how many invalid attempts are accepted. For password resets, the company can allow a direct helpdesk reset, a verified reset with OTP, or both depending on policy. The same model applies to account unlocks. Direct unlock is available for fast internal support, and verified unlock adds user confirmation. WhatsApp OTP and auditor email settings help route verification and notification activity through approved operational channels. The next workflow uses these settings to show how Sarah supports AVI with controlled reset and unlock options, without broad Active Directory permissions. SmartPT AD Control keeps helpdesk actions practical while giving administrators clear control over verification, phishing risk, and audit visibility.